Welcome to the Getting Started training session. This is a second training session you can follow. The first training session was the overview of the MediaDent screen. Now, in this short demonstration, we will focus on working with the viewports. What are the topics we will see in this small demonstration? We will see how you can load an image into a viewport, how you can select more viewports, how you can work with the zoom function, and how you can change the brightness and contrast of an image just by using some clever tricks with the mouse buttons. This is MediaDent. I've opened my screen of MediaDent. I just launched the product and my system is set up that I can see two viewports, a left viewport and a right viewport. Loading an image into a viewport, I first need to select the viewport and double-click on the image. If I need to select a second image, I click on the second viewport and I double-click on the image. Important is that you always select the viewport first before loading the image. You also have the possibility to view the image as a whole, full screen. Just by double-clicking on the image, I see that I have the image in full screen. Double-clicking again will bring me back to the original view. So double-clicking on the image will allow me to go full screen. Double-clicking again and I get my image back again. Maybe you would like to have more viewports available for analysis purposes. How do I change the number of viewports that I see on my screen? Well, I can use this icon to do it. This is the icon that allows me to change the different viewports. Just by pressing my left mouse button and holding it, I will get other icons I can choose from. I can choose up to 5 different viewports. For demonstration sakes, I will choose 4. So I just click with my left mouse button on 4 and you will see I have 4 viewports now. Just by selecting a viewport, I can double-click an image and I can load several images that I can compare with each other. If I say I want to go back to my 2 viewports, I do the same thing. I press the left mouse button and hold, and I choose 2 to get 2 viewports, and I get my 2 viewports back again. Another interesting feature here in the viewport is zooming in to certain areas of an image. How do I do that? Let me just select an image. I press and hold my right mouse button and I can see an area that is zoomed in just by pressing and holding the right mouse button. I can also do that in full screen. So if I go to full screen just by double clicking on the image, I can press and hold my right mouse button and I get a zoom area. Very practical if you want to do some analysis in detail. Double clicking back again will bring me to my original view. I can also change the brightness and the contrast of my image just by, again, a small tap here using my left mouse button. I see that this is a rather dark image here and I would like to brighten it up again. I press and hold my left mouse button and I can move my mouse button up, down, to the left, make it darker, to the right, make it brighter. If I like it, I just can let go and automatically I get a little bit better image. Again, my right mouse button allows me to zoom into an image. Again, right mouse button to zoom in. If I want to zoom in and out within this area, I can use the wheel of my mouse. If you have a mouse with a wheel in the middle, you can press your right mouse button, press and hold, and then turn the wheel up and down, and you see that you will be able to zoom into that particular area. This ends the demonstration on how you can use the viewports and some basic manipulations such as changing the contrast brightness of your image and zooming into a certain specific area of your image. Thank you.